Greetings, this is Robin's Book Club, episode number 30, and it's not so much a normal book club episode today, released on the 8th of December 2021. This episode takes a look at the edition of Rolling Stone which was published in the aftermath of the killing of John Lennon. I'd always wanted to see Annie Leibovitz's photographs of Lennon in the original context, so a few years ago now I bought an original copy of the Rolling Stone edition. As I grew up, I had my parents' record collection at my disposal, which was primarily 60s music, and by and large, the stuff that I absolutely loved was the Beatles albums, particularly the first 4 albums and Sgt. Pepper, but that was because that was what was in the collection. But just everything about the Beatles I absolutely adored. So I thought it might be a good opportunity today to remember John Lennon and to remember some of the iconic photographs that we associate with him, particularly those incredibly touching last photographs that Annie Leibovitz took of him. I wanted to read from this introduction piece from the journalist Scott Spencer, writing in this amazing January the 22nd, 1981 issue of Rolling Stone. "I'm consoling myself now. He had a magnificent life. He fell deeply in love and knew enough about the heart and its lazy habits to never allow his essential connections to go stale. Like other great artists, he was a teacher. He taught us something about integrity and risk. He taught us about speaking up against injustice, and he is an integral part of my most extravagant far-flung dreams about the potential power of art. It's no inspiring feat to capture the attention of millions. Dallas can do that. But to capture the imagination of millions is an accomplishment on a wholly different scale. It is mythic. His life and our view of him were, of course, mucked up by all the byproducts of success, image-making, celebrity and high finance, but his achievements always rose above the cheapness of publicity, the empty craziness of stardom. He proved that you can follow your vision, explore your talents, speak your mind, take any leap you dare. In a cautious age, John Lennon was uninterested in existing on any but his own terms. He sang and wrote what he believed, and he trusted us to listen. And he was right, we listened. Taking his lesson to heart, embracing his radiant example, ennobles the work we do. John's success, his awesome ability to communicate with millions, to say difficult things to people whom others felt were fit only to hear the emptiest words, to say emotionally vulnerable things to the most cynical, and say them so well they could not be denied, remains a towering standard. He teaches us faith in oneself and confidence in and affection for the human community.